Hi all, welcome to KnowledgeWise channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove a background image and be able to download it as a HD file. There's plenty of online websites that will allow you to upload a photo and it'll automatically remove the background. But unfortunately you'll only be able to download it as a standard definition. You won't be able to do it as a high resolution unless you pay for it. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So if I show you an example of this, if we go to a website called Removebg, which is Remove Image Background, if you want to find an image, what I'll do is just find an image so we can quickly download it, and I'll show you how quickly this particular website can remove the image background. So if I go into Google, let's download an image, let's say this one here. So we'll just right click on this, save image, save it, download it, and if I go back to remove background, and if I just want to drag that image in here, you'll see works away, and yes, the background is removed, which is pretty good. But if you're wanting to actually have some of this detail still in here, if you want a high resolution, then doesn't allow you to actually download this file in HD format unless you actually pay for it. It'll just allow you to download it in a sort of standard definition file. So to get around this, there is still some online software that can do this instantly, and you'll still be able to download it as a HD file. So what you need to do is, if you want to go over to Google and type in there Pixlr, and into the relevant website, as you can see, this pixlr.com. Now what you want to do is, in the menu there's an option there for remove background. So if you click on there, you'll just come up into this page. So it's simple as, all you need to do again is just drag your file into here, and it automatically thinks about it and takes all the background image away. As you can see in this part here, there's a slight overlap, so you've got a fine-tune element in here. So if you want to click on there, you can change the softness and the size of this. If I want to just zoom into this picture here, I can start just trimming that back. As you can see, it blends into the picture. There you go. Once you've done that and you're happy with the overall picture, you can just go to download here. Just a download button here. Download that file. So once you've got that file downloaded, what you can do then, just to show you how well it's actually downloaded and how you superimpose it onto a new background image, I'll just go to then Pixlr E, or you can go Pixlr X. I usually use Pixlr E. So if we're going to Pixlr E, if we're going to templates, you've got a range of templates in there that you can pick from with backgrounds and everything on that. But if I go to Google again, we downloaded that one previously, so if we look for background image that we could use, let's say this one here. So same again, right click on there, save image. So once you've downloaded that image, if you go back to your photo editor, I'm going to Pixlr E, and what we're going to do here is then drag that photo into there, and you can see there. What we also need to do is the actual image that we downloaded, that we took the background off, we want to add it as a new layer. You can either go into this button here, add an image, and go and find where you downloaded it, or just as a quick shortcut, you can drag and drop in here and add it to the current image here, which you can see that's superimposed, and you can drag this anywhere on the current background. Just stretch it out so you can fit it and place it wherever you want to. And in future videos, I'll show you how you can actually do all the shading and everything like that, make it look similar lighting and everything like that. But just for this particular short video, I just thought I'd show you how you can actually superimpose a HD image onto a background and actually download this as a HD file. So all you need to do to download this HD file is just go to File and Save, and that gives you an option. I always change this to PNG, and that allows you to do any more editing to it if needed, which would be quite simple. So you just then download. Once you've downloaded, you can just double click on that image, and let me just drag that image in here, and then you can see this is the image that you've just made. So yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, and I'll give plenty more of these videos showing you how to use Pixlr and any other interesting tips with various softwares. So enjoy yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.